Hi, I am Nana Sawansang, the chief of Yemai. I'm standing in the place that will be the home of Yemai Museum in Ashanti region of Ghana. We are very excited. We're looking forward to Alusha coming to Ghana to conduct a workshop and to teach us how to build dome houses. We can't wait to see you. We love you. God bless you. Peace.
So this is it. This is what a team of 18 students together with myself have completed in just 2 weeks. A full retaining wall, a sandbag dome from start to finish, and an aircrete structure with 2-3 days left of work. So I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to a 2-week intensive dome building workshop in Ghana, West Africa, where we are going to learn how to construct 2 types of dome homes, as well as a constructed wetland which will treat all the grey water from your bath and shower. The one structure is a super adobe home with barbed wire reinforcement on every single coil. It is so strong that I actually don't get a Wi-Fi signal inside my super adobe dome. And the other structure is an aircrete dome, all based on sacred geometrical proportions for the foundation. So we're actually going to make our own aircrete bricks using a foaming agent and a little bit of cement. This will be all mixed up and poured into forms, and then we'll cut them up just like a giant cake and stack the bricks using a compass arm. So I'm going to teach you how to build foundation, how to create the bricks, how to stomp the sandbags, how to insert the windows, how to build around the windows. There's some tricky eyebrow situations there on the sandbag dome, so we'll actually go with larger bags around the eyebrow, an eave it's called, and create an awning which will stop the water from coming into your window. And then as we get to the high levels, it gets quite tricky because the bricks have to be actually shaped, and the sandbags also have to be stomped in the very specific ways because they're corbelling in quite a bit, and unless done properly they can actually fall right in. And of course we'll be doing the compass work, where you're going to learn how to use 2 types of chains for the super adobe dome, because it's a different types of geometry. It's a Landsat art geometry, so we'll use a compass at the door, a little chain, and a compass in the center, which will marry onto 2 rings, and that's how you get this shape. And then of course on the aircrete dome is just 1 compass arm at belly button level, and that's what making the dome pop out. And then when we get to the top, we're going to be preparing for the skylight installation for both the super adobe and the aircrete dome. So you're going to get to learn and experience what it is to build your own home. And of course everything that we do not get done, you will have in video training. You see, I've traveled the world and I learned from top ecological masters such as Mike Reynolds, Jeff Lawton, John Todd, John Jevons, Ibrahim Karim from Bright Geometry, and many, many more. And when I came back to our site, this experimental site in Johannesburg, South Africa, I've actually built and experimented with every single eco-technological feature that I have learned. So I've built a biochar filtration and a ferrocement tank. The story goes on. You can watch the video on our Abundance of Water course, and I've recorded 2 courses, the Living Eco Dome Home Masterclass and the Abundance of Water Masterclass. So as a gift to all our live students, I will be providing you with our full comprehensive Living Eco Home Masterclass, where you're going to learn how to take this shell with the waterproofing, the black stuff on the edges here, and full painting, plastering, flooring, skylight installation, electrical installation, door manufacturing, and much more. So this course will actually give you all the tools you need to complete the home to the level that you're seeing right behind me. And of course, if you haven't taken all the notes during the workshop and need to refer back to the formulas and mixing ratios, it's all going to be in the course as well. So you will be able to watch the course and actually remember, oh yes, that's what we did, that's how we did that. So I look forward to be seeing you at our 2-week live training workshop where we're going to build this beautiful dome home together.
I came here knowing nothing about building, never having worked with my hands, and after this, I mean, you can read all the theory you want, but you have to actually come here and do it to see how everything stitches together, and just the little practical nitty-gritties of building a structure like this, especially because we're doing some experimental stuff, some groundbreaking stuff. We have a sandbag dome over there combined with an aircrete dome over here. It's new stuff, so a lot of challenges, and that's exactly what you want at a workshop. You want to learn as much as possible in as short time as possible, worth every penny. Highly recommended.
I'm going to find it difficult to put in words because it's that high, really. My emotions are going since I'm here. The human experience is just absolutely great. The exchange, the fact that we're coming from all over the world, the fact that we don't know each other and everything is going so fluidly, and the energy is going up, and for me it's much more, and I think for all of us, it's much more than just building houses. We're kind of creating now the world we're dreaming of. I could nearly cry. It's that important, really. Voilà, I'm loving every second of it. Right. Thanks, Alosha.
Now I feel confident and capable to build one of these structures myself. So yeah, thank you. And also just all the awesome people that we've met and been able to network with around us from all over the world, all walks of life. That's been an amazing experience, and thank you very much for allowing that to happen.
What I learned here, I would never manage to learn. Maybe I would need like a few years of my life, and we just within 2 weeks we're getting so much knowledge and so much new experience that it's really the value of this is really amazing.
It has been very interesting in terms of being it new, being it fresh. No one's doing this. This is the first of its kind here, and the first of its kind in the world in terms of the merging of the technologies. It's new, it's fresh, there's a lot of research and development, which happens to be perfect for really getting down to it and knowing what we are making, and refining it, honing it, and having the opportunity, which quite frankly, once it's perfected, you don't have anymore. So yeah, grateful for this opportunity to explore and actually work things out and think for myself.
What can I say? Here I am, building a home, using power tools, flinging mud, concrete, working with wood, all sorts of things I've never done my whole life, which is amazing. Amazing experience for me, growing and having now the confidence to go and maybe build myself a little structure. In terms of how the course has been presented, I've had a great time. I've been learning a lot. Alosha's very, very knowledgeable about a lot of different things. Beautiful energy, great to work with him, and he's attracted all these amazing people into this workshop, which I've made new friends, connected with people on many different ways, and I know that these people will be a part of my life going forward in some shape or form.
Come join the workshop, enjoy the cooperation. So many different people, so many different skills, ideas, creating together, coming up with solutions. Perfect. Alosha's guidance is awesome, always energized, always getting the crew going.
And I love the fact that you're pushing boundaries. What I'm going to learn from this community is just, it's going to push me forward. It's the most, probably the community, the people, being hands-on, having the chats after work. That's been the most important thing, I think, of this whole experience. Finding like-minded people and working together as a team. It's been amazing.
To work with Alosha has been really inspiring. His willingness to expand beyond even his own horizons is really cool. It's inspirational in that sense. Yeah, I'm really excited to use the skills I've learned here and apply it back in the States where I'm from.
All right, my name is Frank. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm here for the Nepali dome building workshop. 2 weeks ago, this was flat ground, and 2 weeks later, I've learned so much. I've met so many people from all over the world, and it's one of the best experiences I've had so far in my life, and I truly enjoyed it. Alosha is a creative force, He's a bit mercurial, but nothing that can be overcome. Yeah, you're gonna get concrete in your hair, in your eyes, and I'm truly grateful that this has happened. And I'm looking forward. I learned enough, I feel, to move forward in building this. I'm going to build in 2 spots, in my food forest in Ohio and in Hungary, because I'm a dual citizen, and I'm looking to buy land there and build something like this. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. That's all I can say. And it's all right to take that step to build a new future. So thank you. I am truly grateful. This was awesome. Thank you. The knowledge I gained is valuable beyond the $1,100 I spent on this workshop.
And to build this, we don't have knowledge about it, and we saw the Alosha website and found him. He is doing a good thing, looks like a good to us, so that was the reason we talk with him and invite him come and teach us to build such a sandbag dome.
My name is Roberto. I am from the Netherlands. So everybody got to taste everything, you know. One that was doing this, next time does the other thing. So it was quite variable. I enjoy it.
Hi, my name is Jakob Mehrens. I'm from Germany. I'm 19 years old and I participated in the workshop from Alosha. I really enjoyed it. It was hard work. We had a few moments where we all were down and really hard work. But in the end, look at this, beautiful.
This is what we do. It's incredible how to see how the work, block after block, bring to something like that. And if you want and can experiment this, you should, because it's really nice.
Hey guys, my name is Maria. I come from Brazil, and I'm really happy to be here in Nepal doing this workshop, the Dome workshop, with Alosha and like these amazing people from all over the world. It has been really fun, a lot of work to do, but still like always laughing, always having fun with other people, and yeah, I just can't wait to build my own. Alosha as a teacher is really fun, always like has a solution for the problems, which is really important in building houses, and yeah, it has been a great time, and I'm really happy I could be part of this experience, especially in this beautiful place in Nepal. Thank you, bye.
I don't want to lie to anybody. It is hard work, you know. It's not for the faint of heart, but it is amazing, and that's the reward. Not only just putting up the building, which is phenomenal, but meeting people from all over the world. You know, Alosha's from Russia, I'm from USA, but you know, there's Argentina, Brazil, Australia, the Netherlands, Germans, and the whole, Nepali, of course, and the whole world is united in building this. That's the way I look at it. It's a microcosm of that, and it's a great experience and a great adventure.
Hi, my name is Jakob Mehrens. I'm from Germany. I'm 19 years old and I participated in the workshop from Alosha. I really enjoyed it. Really hard work, but in the end, look at this, beautiful.
Hey guys, my name is Maria. I come from Brazil, and I'm really happy to be here in Nepal doing this workshop, the Dome workshop, with Alosha and like these amazing people from all over the world. It has been really fun, a lot of work to do, but still like always laughing, always having fun with other people, and yeah, I just can't wait to build my own. Alosha as a teacher is really fun. Always like has a solution for the problems, which is really important in building houses, and yeah, it has been a great time, and I'm really happy I could be part of this experience, especially in this beautiful place in Nepal. Thank you, bye.
Thanks to Alosha, we created this dome behind me.
I wasn't really like seeing that happening in that short time, in that short period. And yeah, we're almost done this time. We will still finish it afterwards, but it helped a lot. Alosha motivated us every day.
My name is Peter. I'm hosting here the workshop of Alosha in the land of the Medicine Buddha in Nepal. And you can see that behind me we have this amazing thing that happened to be raised here within a couple of days only. I think particularly for myself, with my 62 years of age, that I'm stupid enough to attempt something like that. It's been wonderful, a great holiday. I would say it's been also very strenuously physically. I had a good workout, and I think everybody else here also. Alosha has communicated unendingly and continuously much of his construction wisdoms, and others too. And I think all of us have a big package to take with us, and we will certainly construct more of these buildings around here with the help of Alosha's participation. We have a good group of people that are now here on site that are able to manifest the constructions, and with the help of the online course we feel secure to attempt the further constructions here.
So here we are on the last day of the workshop, and it's been a really fantastic build. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed working with folk that actually don't know the language, don't know English. So I trained up 6 Nepalese to build in this awesome and easy construction method. And we have a team of 14 people that actually pull this off in 12 working days.
Until then, have a fantastic day.
And to both with Alosha, bring some.
Namaste.